In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import items and create a new service in your dashboard. We'll start on the main dashboard. Look to the left-hand side and find the navigation panel. From there, open Items and Services. This area is where you manage everything you sell, whether they're physical items or services. It's a good habit to keep this section organized because clean data here makes reporting and checkout much smoother later on. Inside Items and Services, choose Import Items. Importing lets you add many items at once instead of entering them one by one. Before you proceed, make sure your spreadsheet is clean and ready. Common formats like CSV or XLSX are usually supported. Keep column headers simple and consistent, avoid merged cells, and remove any stray spaces or special characters that might confuse the system. If your platform provides a sample template, make sure your headers match it exactly to prevent mapping issues. Next, click Choose File. A file picker will open so you can navigate to your prepared spreadsheet. Select the correct file from your computer and confirm. If you manage multiple versions, double-check the file name and date to ensure you're uploading the latest one. Large files can take a moment to attach, so give it a second if you don't see an immediate update. If your file includes images or links, confirm that those references are accessible and properly formatted. Once your items file is chosen, head over to Services. This section is specifically for offerings that aren't physical products, such as consultations, installations, subscriptions, or custom work. In the upper right corner, click Create New. You'll see options for what you can create. Choose Service. This opens the creation flow dedicated to services, keeping them separate from inventory-based items and making it easier to manage pricing, availability, and descriptions later on. After you've selected service, you'll be able to define the essentials. Plan a clear name that your customers will understand at a glance, and write a concise description that explains what's included. If your platform supports categories or tags, think about where this service fits so it's searchable and easy to report on. For pricing, decide whether it's a flat fee or depends on time and materials. If you track internal codes, prepare a simple code or SKU structure that aligns with the rest of your catalog. And if taxes or scheduling apply, have those details ready so you can configure them accurately. That's it. You've opened Items and Services, imported your items, navigated to Services, and started a new service. If anything doesn't appear as expected, check your permissions, confirm your file format, and make sure you're in the correct section. Thanks for watching, and keep your catalog tidy for smoother operations.